Today we're looking at something brand new from Google, and honestly it's a game changer for students, researchers and just anyone who likes to stay organized. Google has just launched the NotebookLM mobile app, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started with it on your Android device. So if you've been curious about what it does and how it works, this is your quick, honest guide to help you dive right in. So first things first, let's get the NotebookLM on your phone. So let's head over to the Play Store, and at the top here we want to search for NotebookLM and just hit the magnifying glass, and you can see here this is Google NotebookLM. So tap to install. So here we go. This is the app opening, and we're going to hit get started, and we're going to hit OK. And actually it automatically logged me in, so hopefully that does the same with you. So let's take a look around the app. The interface is super clean and easy to get used to. So let's create our first notebook. So you want to hit the create new icon, and you want to either select PDF, a website, YouTube, or copied text. So I am going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to just grab one of my videos here, and I'm just going to copy the link and go back in. So I'm going to paste the URL into here, and we're going to hit add. So once uploaded, NotebookLM actually reads the content and lets you ask questions, get summaries, or even build mind maps from your sources. It's like having your own personal research assistant powered by AI. So this gives me the whole transcript of this particular video. It gives me a brief summary of what the video is about. If I hit the back button and I hit chat, then I can ask something about this video. Is it free? The source does not mention any cost associated with deleting extensions. The detailed process it outlines for removing an extension involves using browser built in. Basically, I love this. I'm getting so excited. So we can ask different questions. Let's see, where do I find my Chrome extensions? This would be great if you were maybe wanting to fix something on your car. I'm going to say, where can I find my Chrome extensions? I'm going to hit the send button. So now if you're like me and you care about your screen looking good while reading, here's a quick tip. NotebookLM follows your system theme. So if your phone's on dark mode, the app goes dark. If it's on light mode, the app stays bright. There's no manual toggle just yet, but it's great that it adapts automatically. Perfect for night owls and early birds alike. So it's still early days, but honestly, I think this app is packed with potential. Whether you're a student, content creator, or just love organizing your thoughts in one place. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe if you want more real, easy to follow tech tutorials. No fluff, just facts.